Hey there, it's Stephen B. from Epic Product Review. Today I want to tell you about a product that is launching March 21st. It's called AI Prompts Goldmine. If you've ever tried building prompts from scratch, you already know how much time gets wasted just guessing what works. This solves that. Inside, you're getting over 47,000 professionally structured AI prompts across tools like Nano Banana, Midjourney, and more. Plus full PLR rights, so you can actually rebrand, package, and use these however you want. So not just prompts, actual assets you can turn into something. Now here's where my version is a little different, and honestly, why you'd want to grab it through my link. If you're already getting 10,000 prompts for something, I doubled that. Let me show you what I mean. So right here, if you want 10,000 Midjourney prompts, I'm adding another 10,000. Nano Banana, 10,000. Gemini, 10,000. So instead of just what's inside the funnel, you're getting basically double the prompt library to work with. But here's the part that matters more. Most people collect prompts and never actually use them, so I added two things to fix that. First, a full 20 ways to profit from ChatGPT kit. That's your blueprint on how to actually turn this into something that makes money. And second, this is the big one, a complete digital product creation system. That includes a website, squeeze page, sales pages, graphics, and the ebook, all done for you. So if you wanted to rebrand this, package it, or launch something of your own, you're not starting from scratch. You've already got the structure. So this isn't just more prompts. It's prompts plus a way to actually use them. So if you've already heard enough, and you're already considering picking this up, just make sure you get the version that gives you double everything. Check out the bonus page below. Everything's laid out there. And just a heads up, this is listed as launching with dime sale pricing, so the price goes up with each sale. So if it makes sense for you, grab it while you can.